Hi friends, so today I'm making Shaami kebabs. They originated originally from God knows whatever, but the literal translation is Syrian kebabs. And unfortunately, they are not kebabs per se, as they are patties. Because usually when you say kebab, it's like, something on a skewer. So yeah, so I'm gonna make Syrian patties or Shami kebab, as they call it in Southeast Asia. So for this, I have taken a kilogram and a bit over a kilogram of wheel blade shoulder, something. Uh, the proportion of this to the gram lentils. These are my gram lentils. I've taken 500 grams of, approximate gram lentils. I have got gram flour. This gram flour is roasted. I have taken one onion. All the spices that we ever need, they are going to be salt, crushed chili pepper, a bit of turmeric, a tablespoon and a half of coriander seeds, a tablespoon of black cumin seeds, or called as royal zira, some cloves, four or five pieces of cloves, a little bit of garlic powder, 10 to 12 or a bit of black peppercorns. I have taken black cardamom piece. I have taken 5 or 6 pieces of green cardamom. I have got a green chili pepper that's very prominent in my spice plate. A small piece of cinnamon bark or cinnamon stick, half a piece of bay leaf, and 1 star anise. So with this, I'm gonna add the crushed red chili pepper, salt, and cumin seeds while I'm boiling. But I'm gonna keep these 3 items, cinnamon bark, star anise, and bay leaf, aside. I'm gonna grind green cardamom, black peppercorns. Well, it's already ground. The garlic, garlic pepper, garlic ground, and garlic powder actually. Yeah, and the black cloves, black cumin seeds, and coriander seeds. I'm gonna ground 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 items I'm gonna ground, and then I'm gonna put everything into a pressure cooker, and then that's all there is to it. As you can see, that I have put everything in the pot. Only the thing that's remaining, I have grounded wood, the said spices. They're in the bottom. The onion is there, the cinnamon stick, and star anise, bay leaf, green chili, coriander too, crushed red chili pepper, and a pinch of turmeric, a little bit more. That's pretty much it. And I'm going to add half of my yellow lentils, and then I'm going to boil it. So I have added everything, and this is how it looks like. I have added approximately 700 ml of water, which constitutes to a kilogram of the wheel, and 500 grams, a little less, a little shy of the gram lentils. And yeah, it's gonna do its job. Half an hour on medium heat, or say on medium heat, 3 whistles to the max, and then I'm gonna lower the heat and I'm gonna cook it for a total of 45 minutes. Whenever it gives me I beg your pardon, whenever it gives me 2 whistles on medium heat or 3 whistles, I am going to reduce the heat between nothing to half or a quarter, and I'm going to cook it for 40 to 45 minutes till the meat pieces are fork tender. So after 45 minutes, it looks like this. The meat has somehow turned into fork tender, and the lentils and the rest of the spices, they look like this, a paste. If you try to dry the paste, what will happen, it will stick on the bottom of your pan or pressure cooker or whatever you are using. So it's not, you know, one of the ideal conditions. This is good enough. And, you know, just let it sit down for, you know, say half an hour, 1 hour. Let it sit, let it rest, and it will dry itself out. That's all you have to do. It tastes delicious. And I'll see you once it, you know, cools down, and I'll show you how to grind it and, you know, make into patties and everything. And I'll show you how to fry it as well. Looks like this. You can see that, you know, the pieces of my veal are still there. For example, this piece or this piece. I have grounded them up in my food processor, and you come to like this consistency. You know, once it fits on your finger, it won't, you know, fall down. To achieve this, I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of gram flour to every mix. See that yellowish thing? Yep. And now I'm gonna put I'm gonna let it roll. Open and see. Yeah, it's about the right consistency. All right, let me finish this up and then I'll come back. So all that kebab mix I have grinded and I have put in this container. It's pretty heavy, so it seems, you know, a bit over 1.5 kilograms because I used a kilogram of wheel shoulder blade, and I used 500 grams of the gram lentils. So excuse me. So it seems like, you know, around 2 kilograms. Good for 3-4 days, easy. And you know, I've left it in the fridge for 1 hour. I've taken it out. Now I'm mixing my onions. I have chopped onions and some cilantro. I'm mixing them up slowly but slowly. I'm layering them up. You can see there's a layer underneath and then there's a layer on the top. So I'm going to show you one more time how it is done. Take a bunch from here, put it on top like this. Okay, that's it. I'm going to buy a phone mount today. It's not working and it's not convenient. Alrighty, got this. Now I'm gonna put my chopped onions and cilantro on top of this. Like that. And whatever remaining I have, I'm gonna put it on, mix it, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the patties. See, my friends, this is how I'm mixing from top to bottom. Everything is gonna get uniform with this way of mixing. And yeah. So see, this is how we make the patties or the kebabs. Wet your hands, take a handful, should be good enough. Don't be afraid, use a little bit of water, just a splash. Circle around like that. Everybody knows how to do this, just like making meatballs. Only when you make them, you flatten them. That's all there is to it. However you like. You have them perfectly round if you want to. You can have them like that. Hexagonal, octagonal. So if you don't put water, this is going to happen. It's going to start sticking on your hands. So you put a little bit of water there. In that case, it prevents it from sticking to your hands. So that's how you make perfect patties. And now I'm going to show you how to fry them. And that's how they look like when you're frying them. Believe me, they taste delicious. If you like this recipe, do not forget to try it. Thank you very much and have a good one.